So the basic stuff that you guys get on your Mac would be these apps down here below. You can see them all. So those are the basic apps. So let me just show you a little bit better. So again, all these are basic apps that you guys get with your Mac. You can download any other ones. And here they are. So here are all the basics. Let me just show you in here. You have more apps. And that's it. That's all your Macs that you guys get. Let me just show you which one does what. So GarageBand, that's to edit audio music. You guys can create music there. iMovie, edit videos. Then we have stuff like Pages, which is like Microsoft Word, Numbers, which is like Excel. We've got, what else do we have here that you guys might use right away? Would be Books. Well, Books, not really, not that many people use that. Although I like it, that's where you guys can download some books. There's a lot of free ones as well. Apple TV, that's a hub. So you guys could go into there for Netflix or anything really, or Apple TV Plus, there's channels in there. So it's just a hub for a lot of channels you guys can get. And there's one that I don't see for some reason, but it's down here below. It's Keynote, and that's like PowerPoint. So that's down here below. Anyways, I'm just gonna click away. And to get to that thing where it's gonna show me all the apps that I have, I can just click here, like so. All right, and what else should you guys know? That's it. I mean, you guys can start playing with your Mac right now. I do have a manual that teaches you how to go about your Mac and setting things up and using your Mac. However, this is just a setup video. You guys are all set up. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.